Alright, this is the trial run of the Kalapuya online geometry tutoring system. We're going to start with chapter 1-7. With these videos, you're welcome to play through them, skip forward or back as you like, use them as a resource. We're going to go through the chapter piece by piece to explain the examples in order, and then in the end I'm going to work some of the problems, not the assigned problems, but the problems next to the assigned problems, so that you can use them to you can use this to solve this. So let's get started. Chapter 1. Chapter 1-7. So we're talking about perimeter, and we're calling perimeter as this. The perimeter would be the sum of the distances of the sides of a shape. If this were 3 and 6, you could also guess that this was 6, and you could guess that this was 3. So the perimeter of this rectangle is going to be 6 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3. And that is going to be 6 and 6 is 12, 3 and 3 is 6, that is 18, and let's just call these centimeters, 18 centimeters. So what about the circumference? Well, the perimeter of a circle has a special name. It is called the circumference. Now the circumference, the distance all the way around a circle. A circle is, by the way, the only polygon that has one side. So for this, the circumference is the total distance here, C, going all the way around and back to C. So for every circle, there's some terminology you're going to need to know. Here is what you're going to need to know. For the circle, there is that's the diameter. The center out is the radius, and we know that the diameter is always 2 times the radius, so I'm going to rewrite it. Little d equals 2 dot little r. Diameter is 2 times the radius. So back to the circumference. What is the formula for the circumference? The circumference equals C equals pi. In this case, we're going to use always 3.14. Okay? In that case, C is going to be pi times d. So if we were going to do an example problem, let's just say the diameter here is 8 centimeters. The answer for this one, C, would equal pi times 8. C equals 3.14 times 8. And when we get a calculator, we're going to get some number. I'm not going to do the math, but it is going to be something in the neighborhood of 25 centimeters. I'll come back to the exact answer later.